Ciao ragazzi, io sono Marina e io amo pasta. Oggi prepariamo fusilli al pesto. Mamma mia! Hi, this is Marina from Health Gloves, a certified raw vegan diet and healthy lifestyle coach. In today's video, you're gonna learn how to make fusilli pesto pasta raw vegan style. And my goal for this video is that while you are watching this video, you smell basil. And now, without further ado, let's go straight to this amazingly delicious recipe. The ingredients that you're gonna need are: the list of all ingredients with exact measurements can be found in the written recipe on my website healthgloves.net. Click the link below this video. You can easily order the equipment that you need for making this recipe in my online shop, amazongloves.com. First, we prepare flax seeds. Flax seeds have an indigestible outer layer. In this way, the nutrients inside the flax seeds can be used in the body only when the flax seeds are ground. I buy whole flax seeds, grind them myself in the blender, and keep them in an airtight glass jar. The reason I prefer to grind flax seeds myself is that flax seeds, just like all seeds, contain a lot of fat. Fatty acids tend to go rancid quickly when exposed to air, which happens during grinding. For this reason, it is best that ground flax seeds are as fresh as possible. By the way, I personally adore the smell of freshly ground flax seeds. And if you try it with a spoon, you will see that it resembles the taste of ground biscuits. Yum! Measure out 0.7 ounces, which is 20 grams of ground flax seeds. Soak the ground flax seeds in a little water, mix them and let them sit. Wash the zucchinis in clean water. The water in which you wash your food ends up in your body directly or indirectly. Therefore, it is very important that you use only purified water for washing your food. I highly recommend the reverse osmosis water filter because this water purification system removes harmful substances that are typically found in city water such as chlorine, fluoride, arsenic, sulfates, pesticides, etc. With this reverse osmosis water filter, you can have flawless water in your kitchen. Order your water filter at amazongloves.com via the link in the description of this video. Cut off the zucchini ends. Peel the zucchinis. Spiralizer is a very practical device for making vegetable pasta. You can order a spiralizer in my online shop, amazongloves.com, via the link in the description of this video. Place a flat knife on the spiralizer. Place one zucchini at a time on the spiralizer and make fusilli pasta. Fusilli pasta is a spiral pasta. Spiral pasta types go very well with pesto sauce. Transfer the fusilli pasta to a bowl. Just look at this beautiful and fresh fusilli pasta. When you make pasta with zucchinis, there is no need to cook it because it is already al dente. Now we are going to make parmigiano reggiano, or better say susamgiano. Measure out 0.7 ounces, which is 20 grams of sesame seeds. Transfer the sesame seeds to the mortar. Grind the sesame seeds with the mortar and pestle. Can you see this Parmigiano Reggiano made with sesame seeds, Susamgiano? Transfer the Susamgiano to a cup so that you have an empty mortar for the next step. Separate, peel and chop 1 garlic clove. Transfer the chopped garlic to the mortar. Crush the garlic in the mortar. Measure out 0.35 ounces, which is 10 grams, of pine nuts. Pine nuts are a type of nuts that grow on some types of pine trees. Pine nuts are actually seeds of the pine trees that are very creamy and delicious. These mighty seeds are an essential ingredient in the original pesto recipe. Order your pine nuts at amazongloves.com via the link in the description of this video. Transfer the pine nuts to the mortar. Crush the pine nuts with the mortar and pestle. Add 1 teaspoon of dried celery to the mortar. Grind all the ingredients together. The next comes basil. Separate the basil leaves from the branch. Please lie to me and tell me in the comments below this video that you can smell the wonderful smell of basil now through your screen. Place the basil leaves in a bowl. Wash the basil in clean water. Dry the basil on a paper towel. Chop the basil. Transfer the chopped basil into the mortar. Grind the basil with the mortar and pestle. Add 2/3 of the ground sesame seeds to the mortar. Grind all the ingredients together. Remember those flax seeds from the beginning of the video? Well, it's time for them. Protect your hearing with earmuffs. Transfer the soaked ground flax seeds to the blender. Blend ground flax seeds and water. And you get flaxseed milk. Pour the flaxseed milk into the mortar. Grind all the ingredients together with the mortar and pestle until they are combined into a pesto. Pour the pesto over the fusilli pasta. Mix pesto and fusilli pasta. Serve fusilli pasta in pesto on a plate. Top your pesto pasta with some Parmigiano Reggiano made with sesame seeds. this fusilli al pesto looks beautiful, and now it's time to try it. The perfect combination of flavors. You get many more delicious and healthy raw vegan recipes in the Raw Vegan Culinary Set. In the Raw Vegan Culinary Set, you get a total of 157 delicious and healthy, low-fat raw vegan recipes. Soups, dressings, sauces, dips, pasta, cookies, cakes, drinks, spices. Out of that, 40 raw yet warm recipes warmed in the dehydrator, as well as 2 pre-recorded online culinary classes that you just need to follow step by step. For the whole set, you get a discount by using the coupon code TASTY and HEALTHY. Click the link below this video, take advantage of this discount, and make the transition to a diet of delicious and fresh plant-based foods that contribute to your health and vitality. I sincerely hope that you have enjoyed watching this video and that you're gonna love preparing and enjoying this beautiful raw vegan fusilli pesto pasta. And let me know right now through the comments down below this video, would you like that this plate is in front of you right now? I hope the answer is yes, because I would be honored to serve you this beautiful raw vegan fusilli pesto pasta dish. If you like this video, please like it, share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure that you click the bell icon beside the subscription button, because that way you're gonna see all the upcoming videos on my YouTube channel Health Glows, and in those upcoming videos you will get free education on a raw vegan diet, fitness, health, and of course many free raw vegan recipes. If that's your cup of tea, then welcome to my little world, my YouTube channel Health Glows. Once again, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Until the next time, keep glowing. Arrivederci! Order now your raw vegan culinary set via the link in the description of this video.